What date is it? Who cares? How well. Okay, so today I have the day off, although I do have a class at 6:30. I had a nice lie-in this morning. I've been so busy. I just got back from a hen do over the weekend. I've been working late. I've been working a lot. But today I feel nice and restful and I feel like doing something practical. I want to get moving, but I don't want to do like too much that I don't feel like doing, and this is what I feel like doing. So today I am going to make a kitchen pantry shelf. And so over the weekend, on the way back from the hen do, I went to IKEA and I bought a few things to create this pantry shelf. I bought some new glasses, I bought some jars, I bought some shelves, and just things that will make the kitchen look more aesthetic. But also the reason why I want to do it is because I really want to start eating a lot healthier again, because I've been working so much and I've been really busy. Sometimes, you know, our health just goes downhill a bit. We don't take priority in cooking and taking care of ourselves as much when we're taking care of others. So that is the reason why I want to build this pantry shelf, is so I can feel more organized in the kitchen. I'll be more inspired to cook and make healthy meals. So I thought I'd vlog it, because I just love things around the home. I know this isn't anything to do with dance, but hopefully some of you enjoy this kind of thing. I absolutely love, it's definitely my second passion to dance. I just love interior, creating art, and just making things look beautiful, because why not? Let's go downstairs. I'm going to show you what I've got and then we're going to start building. But first of all, I want to show you this new chair that I got from IKEA. How amazing is this chair? I absolutely love it. I got it in the bargain corner at IKEA. I honestly always get the best things in that bargain corner. This was originally $69 and I got it for £29. Just, it's really comfortable, it's really wide. It's actually an outdoor chair because it's got a hole, but I think it looks great in here. And you haven't seen the new layout, so this is what it looks like. It's not perfect, but I will give a proper tour of the rooms that I have redecorated soon. But yeah, isn't it fun? I made it more minimal. I haven't showed you, I mean, I've changed this room so many times, so you haven't seen all of the options, but this is what it's looking like. Mr. O, it's his favourite spot at the moment. Okay, let's make this pantry. Okay, so first of all, this right here where the light is where the pantry shelf is going to go. First of all, this house is quite messy right now because I've been so busy, I have not had time to clean it or tidy. So I'm going to remove the light and the basket because it's kind of pointless. I don't really use the light or the basket, so I probably just put the light upstairs in the guest room because I kind of want a lamp in there. And I also bought some like spice racks, which I kind of, excuse the mess, I kind of want to put like underneath that shelf where the plant is. Do some spice racks. I kind of just want everything more out. This coffee station right here I love because like all the teas are out, all the powders in the corner are out, so it's really convenient like if I want to make a nice tea. So those powders I kind of want to put in jars. I want to put like some nuts in jars, some baking things in jars, and just have them all out aesthetically on the shelf over here. But let's stop talking about it and let's just do it, right? Also, this shelf needed a thing at the back, but it's fine. I can't be bothered to do it because I did it wrong. But like, it's pretty sturdy. I think it looks good there. It's not in the way. Yay! There. And then like one there. Probably put like the highest one there. So it's like a week later now and all of the shelves are put together, they're put up. So I thought I'd show you a little tour of the kitchen. I just spent like an hour cleaning it and I hope that it stays like this. Okay, so first of all over here we've got the coffee and juice station. We've got all the syrups, biscuits, coffee machine. Then up here we've got some more teas, IKEA retro flower plant up here. We've got a coffee menu right there. And then over here we've got our glasses from IKEA. And then over here is my favourite bit. We have all the loose leaf teas and we have some superfood powders as well. Maca, cacao, ashwagandha, dandelion root, pistachio fruit infusion. That's a really nice one. Cherry green tea, lavender flower, chamomile, cacao shells, chai masala. I have spearmint, I've just run out, I need to order some more. Pisces tea, of course, my best friend bought that for me for my birthday. And then up here we have some more loose leaf blends that I bought in some tea shops. We've got cloud catcher, red bush cherry twist and lemongrass infusion. And we've got some fresh basil here to make it fresh. And then over here we have all the shelves. Let me do a far view. We've got lion's mane, spirulina, nothing. We have some pumpkin seeds and hemp seeds. And then we have some dried cherry plums that we did in the dehydrator. And then down here we've got some chia seeds, cashews, pistachios, peanuts, walnuts. These are all good to like go in some granolas or some cereals or whatever, baking. And then we've got some oats and then some popcorn kernels and then some new bowls that I got from IKEA the other week. Still need to fill some jars, but I'm still not sure what to put in them. We picked some apples yesterday. We went cycling and we picked some fresh apples. I'm gonna make an apple strudel this afternoon or this evening. And then over here we put some more shelves up, fruit bowl. And then over here we got the spice rack. So what I want to do is I want to get all matching spice jars and then label them all so they look really neat. Probably do black or wooden ones, which will look good, or white. And then we've got a white shelf, recipe, salt and pepper, balsamic vinegar, and then chopping boards. I bought this the other day from B&M. It was like £3. And I just love heart-shaped things, and I thought the wood would look so good with the kitchen. And I really want to get something to cover up that boiler because it's such an eyesore, but we've made the most of it. So this evening I plan to bake maybe an apple and blackberry strudel, because we picked those fresh yesterday, and we also have a blackberry bush at the front of our house. So we've been collecting them, we've been freezing them. I have some puff pastry, so I thought let's do a strudel. It's becoming autumn now, it's cloudy, it's getting a bit colder. I'm in the mood to bake. And for dinner tonight I'm gonna make a fresh tomato and red pepper soup with homemade tortilla pizzas, which I will film. Okay, so here we're making a red pepper and tomato soup. So we cut up the peppers. I add some sweet peppers because it makes it taste a bit sweeter, and also adds a onion or two as well, which I don't show in this, but definitely add the onion because it tastes amazing. Add some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of cinnamon, and then we bring it to boil until it's all shrunk down and roast it. Here I'm making a overnight oats, so we mash some banana, we're going to add some chia seeds, maca, ashwagandha, cacao, peanut butter, and give it a good mix. Then we can add any milk of your choice. I added oat milk, then some more oats, put it in a bowl, and then put it in the fridge for the next day. Here I'm just putting away some berries because they last longer in the glass jars. And now we are making our apple strudel. So we just add some cooking apples, some sugar, some cinnamon. I just did anything that I felt like measurement wise, so I don't have any particular measurements. Then I added it to some puff pastry, folded it over, added some egg on the top, and then put it in the oven. After that, I blended the soup once it was all shrunk down, tried a bit, it was great. And we have some tortilla homemade pizzas here with no cheese. It's a great addition with the soup. I cooked the strudel for about 15-20 minutes, added some vanilla ice cream, and voila. It's nice. It's good. So today I'm getting my hair cut. It's very damaged because I always damage my hair. It's part of my personality now. I do like it that it is a bit longer, but I'm just feeling like a big chop. So I think I'm gonna do a bob because look how bad it is. It's so damaged. You can just put it in any position and it just stays. But I just want to chop off all the split ends and get healthy. So let's get to the hairdressers. Mr. Round. So I've put my makeup, skincare situation over here now in the dressing room, and like moved things around. Still need some TLC, but this, I've put all the 90s retro stuff up there for now. So yeah, it's much better getting ready in here, especially as it's getting into winter, because I've got the natural light of the window, plus I've got 2 lights there for when I get ready in the evenings. I'm running late. Why am I always late? I'm late because I forgot my phone. I don't know where the hairdresser is. I cannot believe how short my hair is. Like, what is this? Wow. Oh, Mercury retrograde, you've done it again. What do you think? It feels a lot better, but it's crazy short. Crazy. I really like this mirror. Woo! I'm done walking around, but I honestly just cannot get over how short my hair is. Like my neck. You can see my neck. And as time is going on, and it's only been like half an hour, 45 minutes, and it just keeps getting shorter and shorter. I love it and I hate it at the same time. I think it just needs a bit more product, more scrunching, and then it will look more cool. But it just looks really frizzy right now. So hot. So hot today. Okay, I'm just about to go to Tesco, get a few bits for dinner and for the week, and then I'm gonna head home and do more organising of the guest room and the dressing room. Oh my god, it's so short. I will be saying this all day. It's so short. Shop or in the boot? I've got quite a big shop really, but this will probably last like 3 to 4 days. Crazy. I got this for £1 at the antique store outside. Freshly picked. Boom. So it's about a week later now. I'm just about to film a Halloween dance workout. I need to dress up as a monster and I have no idea what to wear. So yeah, that's my next task for today, but I'm gonna leave the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed my little outing and the kitchen transformation. I'm in the middle of transforming the upstairs of the house, so if you want to see that, let me know. The ex-guest room has been moved around like 20 times, but it's now our bedroom, so if you want to see the transformation, let me know. And yeah, put in the comments how you're feeling. This transition into autumn seems quite heavy. I mean, today there's no sun, so I just feel low energy. I need to film a workout because I know it will make me feel amazing afterwards, but it's just such an effort sometimes to just get up and do something. So I hope if you're feeling that way, that you just find some small inspiration to get you moving, or to do any self-care that you need to do to make yourself feel better. Just remember, we've had a long summer, we had long days, we've used so much energy. Now the darker, colder days are coming. We need time to slow ourselves down, start something new if we need to, or not. Transition in the way that feels best for you. So going forward with my videos, I will try to upload at least once a week. I would like to upload more, 2 to 3 times, but if you know, I do run my own classes and I have other work going on the side, so I am quite busy, so I will try my best to upload when I can. This is why I don't have set days anymore, just because it's quite hard to film, edit, upload at a certain point because I'm either at work or I'm doing something else. So I appreciate your patience. I do love uploading on YouTube, so I want to upload as much as possible, and I will see you next time. Bye guys, thank you for watching.